Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Car Look today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Nissan Figaro. This modern take on a retro classic is generating quite a buzz in the automotive world, and for good reason. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Figaro stand out. At first glance, the 2025 Figaro captures the essence of its predecessor with its unmistakable retro design. The rounded headlights, chrome accents, and compact body evoke a sense of nostalgia, while the sleek lines and modern touches bring it firmly into the 21st century. Nissan has done a fantastic job of blending the old with the new, creating a car that's both charming and contemporary. Under the hood, the 2025 Figaro packs a punch. It features a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine that delivers impressive power and efficiency. This engine is paired with a smooth CVT transmission, providing a responsive and enjoyable driving experience. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking a road trip, the Figaro offers a ride that's both fun and comfortable. One of the standout features of the 2025 Figaro is its advanced technology. The interior is equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, including a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster provides all the essential information at a glance, while the premium sound system ensures that your favorite tunes sound fantastic. Safety is a top priority for Nissan, and the 2025 Figaro is no exception. It comes with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These features work together to provide peace of mind and help prevent accidents, making the Figaro a smart choice for drivers of all ages. The interior of the 2025 Figaro is both stylish and comfortable. The retro-inspired design extends to the cabin, with vintage touches like a classic steering wheel and round air vents. The seats are upholstered in high-quality materials, providing excellent support and comfort. There's also plenty of space for passengers and cargo, making the Figaro a practical choice for everyday use. Overall, the 2025 Nissan Figaro is a perfect blend of retro charm and modern innovation. Its eye-catching design, powerful performance, advanced technology, and top-notch safety features make it a standout in the market. If you're looking for a car that's both nostalgic and cutting-edge, the 2025 Figaro should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.